Someone out there is promising you that a scar you have lived with for years can basically vanish in 14 days. That is a massive claim to make. We are looking at a product called ReGenScar. It calls itself a stem cell gel. It targets everything from surgical marks to old acne spots and stretch marks. On the surface, it sounds like a miracle in a tube. The marketing says some people see a difference in just 1 week. 1 week for a new scar? 2 weeks for the old ones? That sounds incredibly fast. Maybe a little too fast for how the human body actually works. The formula lists things like onion extract and chamomile. It also mentions a medical-grade silicone matrix. Silicone is actually a standard tool for scar management. Doctors use it all the time. But the addition of stem cell claims and botanical extracts makes it sound more advanced than your average drugstore balm. Here is where things get a bit murky. They cite a study with over 8,000 people. They say the satisfaction rates are through the roof. No side effects were reported. But where's the data? Usually a study that big would be published in a major medical journal. We would know who ran it. We would see the control group. With this product, those details are just missing. Scars are essentially the body's way of patching a hole. They are made of collagen. That collagen is laid down quickly. It is often messy. To remodel that tissue, you need more than just a quick rub of a botanical gel. Professional treatments often take months or even years of consistent care. When a brand says they can do it in 2 weeks, it should make you stop and think. Why would doctors use lasers or expensive therapy if a simple cream worked that fast? It just does not add up. Then you look at the ingredients. Aloe and chamomile are great for soothing a sunburn. Thyme and walnut shell might have some mild benefits. But are they powerful enough to rewrite your skin's history? Probably not. Onion extract does have some clinical backing for scars, but the concentration matters. Without a real lab report, you have no idea if you are getting a therapeutic dose or just a drop of scent. Then we have to talk about the seller. The name on the digital storefront is often linked to a company called Cell & Lab. When you look them up, the red flags start popping up everywhere. On major review sites, the rating is pretty low. We are talking about 1-star reviews from people who feel totally burned. The biggest complaint is not even about the gel itself. It is about the money. Customers say they bought 1 bottle but kept getting charged. They say the shipments kept coming without their permission. Trying to stop those charges sounds like a complete nightmare. One person even called it a flat-out trick. Now, we cannot prove those individual claims as absolute facts, but they are loud warnings for anyone else. Website security experts have also weighed in. One score was as low as 28 out of 100. That is a failing grade in anyone's book. The domain was only registered very recently. It is a brand new player in a market that usually relies on long-term trust. Sure, they have a standard payment system. They use normal encryption. But those are the bare minimum requirements for any website today. It does not mean the product inside the box works. It definitely does not mean the company is easy to deal with. The gap between the big promises and the actual evidence is just too wide. Before you put anything on your skin, you need to know exactly what is in it. You should probably talk to a dermatologist first. They can tell you if onion extract or silicone is right for your specific skin type. Do not get swayed by a flashy ad with a countdown clock. Check the fine print. Look for hidden subscription boxes. If a deal feels like it is moving too fast, it probably is. Protecting your wallet is just as important as protecting your skin. Take a breath. Do your own research. Do not let a 2-week promise lead to a 6-month headache. Real healing takes time. Real medical breakthroughs have papers and doctors backing them up. This one feels like it is mostly just marketing. If you are going to spend your hard-earned money, make sure you are getting something that is actually backed by science. Keep your eyes open for those hidden fees. Stay safe out there.